So, are lobsters functionally immortal? So the first thing I need to tell you is that no one dies of old age. They die from getting sick and from other complications caused by old age. You see, we are made up of a bunch of cells, and those cells are constantly replicating. But every time a cell replicates, it is a little bit off. It's like making a copy of a copy. Basically, there are these things in our chromosomes called telomeres, and they get shorter and shorter and shorter until eventually our DNA starts getting damaged. And then our body doesn't work as good as it used to. Lobsters, and some other animals, don't have this problem. Their cells don't degrade in the same way that ours do. There are other problems, but their cells don't exactly work the same way. So lobsters can keep growing and can keep living. But can they be giant? Not so much. Because as your body grows, it needs more energy. In fact, it needs more everything. More oxygen, more of any chemical that keeps you alive. Large animals have a hard time moving, have a harder time cooling themselves off, even if they were underwater. So while the lobster won't necessarily die because their cells have degraded, they will die because they get too big to live. Now, of course, with technology, we could extend that lifespan and its size quite long. And there is a meme cult out there that is trying to grow their own lobster and treat it like a lobster god, basically worship it and give it everything it needs to continue getting giant. But that is kind of a failing proposition because eventually even our technology won't be able to keep up with the simple mathematics of what it means to be alive. So yeah, giant lobster, no, but the basic idea behind it, that lobster cells don't degrade the same way that ours do, is correct.